Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to add multiple photos in Instagram story. So to do that, I'm heading over to my Instagram, and once in there, head over to the story section, and in here go to camera. Now go to layout, and here you can select different sort of layout if you want to add 4, 2, 3, 2 or 6 photos together. So I'm just selecting 2 right now. So after selecting, you have to tap on the plus icon on the lower left, and here select any of the photos like this, and I'm adding, let's say this, so these two. So once you are done, just tap on, you can also adjust them according to your needs, and then just tap on the tick mark, and then you can just add to your story. So yeah, this is how you can add multiple photos in your Instagram story. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.